Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about how to create a Salesforce Developer Org. So basically we need to understand when we need to use the developer org. So basically let's assume you are an independent app developer or maybe a freelancer or maybe an admin. So you want to build a custom app. Here it says inventory management app, but you can assume any app on the Salesforce platform. So if that includes objects, fields, and automations, then I would say this developer edition is the appropriate place to start because you don't want to do it in the production until and unless it is required. And it is highly recommended to use a Salesforce developer sandbox or let's say in if you work in an organization you would be having different types of sandboxes, one for development, one for testing, and one for the production org is different again. So production org is also called as master org, I would say. And then this developer edition, you can develop, test, and give a demo to the stakeholders as well in the developer sandboxes or else in the full sandbox. And then just try to understand what exactly the Salesforce Developer Org is. So basically, a developer org is fully functional Salesforce environment with limited capacity and features designed specifically for development and testing. It is ideal for learning Salesforce, building small projects, and testing new apps or integrations without impacting a live production environment. So basically, you can assume it as your playground to do whatever you want in the Salesforce. And then from there on, right, from there on, you can understand what exactly is this. So let's start creating one. Um, let's say. So I'm also parallelly trying to create a document as well. So this is one, two, three. Okay. Now let's jump into the link developer Salesforce developer edition sign up. You need to click on here. Then you can enter your details. Salesforce learner and email address should be valid, at least for now. Then myself as an admin, company name Salesforce learner, and you can give the company, I mean the country you are in, and you can give whatever the details you can. And username, you can give a username called Salesforce dot learner at salesforcelearners.com. So uh, just keep a note that you can have multiple Salesforce accounts with the different, I mean, with the same email address, but the username should be unique. Yeah, that's it. Sign me up. So it will take some time to, to create an org. So we have given all the details and it will take some time. With the developer edition, you can build the apps, you can customize the data model, you can write some Apex code, you can integrate this with any of the different apps. It's like you will feel like you're working on a real Salesforce environment. This takes some time. Let's wait for a minute or two. And also, in the meanwhile, I want you to understand this one, different Salesforce orgs and limitations. Yeah. So basically, there would be a document from Salesforce Developer Org. I'm just trying to get it. So if you see, these are the different types of Salesforce editions. So we have created this one. These three are like these things are like production things. Okay, I think we got our email address to verify. We just need to click on verify and keep in mind this is our org. This is our org link, and this is the username. Let's click on verify account and reset password. Now create something like this. This is something we need to give so far. So I'm just going away from the screen to answer this. Yeah, I was able to successfully log in now into the Salesforce successfully. If you see, right, this is the org link and this is the developer edition. And the other one we have is different one. It is you know it is a trailhead, and this is developer, or both are different verticals. So let me log in, and what I will do here is I will try to add the trailhead here. I will add the developer editions to the trailhead orgs. So if you see, this is the playground we have, and I'm going to connect the developer org that we created recently. So basically that is developer edition, and I think we can do like this. Done. Now what we can do here is you can directly open your developer org from here, or else you can write I mean you can go to the link and you can try type your username and password. It will also help. So basically there are two things that we need to keep in mind: the limitations part and the keynotes. So the keynotes is right, we can use it for different development activities and testing activities. And when it comes to you know when it comes to the limitations, the storage is like 5 MB. You cannot do it for more. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment sections. I will try to answer.